So we start off with someone who has mid-length hair. Wow, absolutely gorgeous shoulder-length haircut. Love the platinum hair color. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of long to short hair transformations. So if you have been dreaming of cutting it off or you're just in need of some hair inspiration, this video is for you. So here we see a beautiful pixie haircut. The stylist did an amazing classic pixie with this one. Beautiful bangs in the front, gorgeous transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair changes. So here we have another brilliant long to short transformation. This is from one of my favorite hairstylists. He does amazing work. And it looks like he's going to be doing a bit of a bob haircut with this one. Wow, loving her auburn hair. Absolutely stunning transformation, and she ended up getting a beautiful lob haircut. So next up we have a client that has shoulder length hair. It's like the stylist cut the hair into a beautiful lob, face framing highlights, gorgeous ash blonde hair color, beautiful. Next up, we have someone who has pretty long dark hair. And the stylist has lightened her up, brightened her up, and giving her some beautiful layers, curtain style bangs. Beautiful. And as you know, layers are a great option if you want to add some volume to your hair. Absolutely gorgeous. So next up we have someone who has a pixie. Looks like the stylist is just kind of cleaning her up. Beautiful blonde hair color. Nice shaven nape area, beautiful pixie. And then we have another haircut transformation. Absolutely gorgeous bob haircut. And we have someone who decided to mix it up with some hair extensions. Now this, of course, is a great way to add some length to the hair. Hair extensions will also give you a great amount of volume as well. Beautiful. Wow, absolutely stunning reddish brown haircut. Love the bangs in the front. Beautiful color. Then we see another color transformation. Absolutely stunning. Her hair looks so gorgeous. And then we see the cleanup of this pixie. And it looks like she also decided to dye her hair a different color. Beautiful pixie undercut. So then we move into another pixie and color transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful shape and color combination for that one. Looks like she went with a very light gray color. Wow, her hair looks absolutely stunning. Loving the highlights that the stylist added in. Beautiful. Her hair looks so shiny. And then we have another long to short hair transformation. Looks like she decided to get a beautiful classic lob haircut. Next up, another stunning lob. And then a stunning, beautiful bob haircut. This is very classic and effortless. followed by this pixie transformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you want to see even more, be sure to check out this video next.